I'm getting this on film today. A lot of people don't get their car wash experience on film, but I'm getting mine on film. I don't take my car wash to the ones with the brushes because, man, $50,000 car, you know, to some of you all, that might not be any type of money, but $50,000 is a lot of money to me. And man, look at Flora, she's sexy as, ooh, wait. Ooh, she's sexy. Go ahead, let them bristles. No bristles here. We had that touchless car wash. The other reason I'm doing this is because I want to see exactly. I came here one time and got my car washed. I came up out of the car wash and man, one of my wheels had like 2 marks on it. And I was like, dude, how in the world does my wheel have a mark on it? And I couldn't understand how, because there's no brushes. As you see, look, I got like 3 inches from that rail there. On the other side, I have about 5 inches there. So anyway, one of my forged wheels does have an imperfection, but it's all good. When you drive your vehicle every day like I do for the time being, it's gonna pick up some beauty marks. But anyway, it's Saturday. Hurricane Irma came, touchdown last week. You see the sun is out today. Look at those clouds. White clouds, blue skies, white clouds and blue skies. And I'm right here at South Chase Car Wash. I'm guessing this will be South Orlando, northern Kissimmee area. And she's getting clean. She damn sure getting clean. I hope you guys can appreciate this video. She's getting that pressure wash. And I did the executive wash, so that's like best bang for your buck here at this one. But she getting that king treatment right now. That king treatment. Only thing that I don't like about this one is the air fans. They don't really do that good of a job. But look at that, man. She getting all types of waxes and I forgot what you call this, foam application. Which, if you ask me, that's not enough foam application, but it's all good. This only cost me $10, so it's been well worth it. If management was here, I'd probably be in a little bit of trouble, but you know, I gotta make sure I'm getting what I pay for. Here's a close-up. Look at that, she is clean. Look at that. She is clean. You hear me? Clean. Clean. Woo. Running from the water. Running from the water, running from the water. You know, I grew up watching Looney Tunes and my favorite character was Taz. And it would be, Taz hate water, Taz hate water. That's how my dog is, man. My dog, he don't like water, but you know, I give him a bath about twice a month. Gotta keep him clean. Plus he's an indoors type dog. Anyway, this is almost over. I just wanted to show you guys. I wanted to give you guys a little clip. I'm gonna walk to the back. As you see, it's getting that last sprinkle. getting that last little bit. That's what they call the spot-free rinse. And then after that, they're gonna dry it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in. I'm gonna hop in now before it gets dry. I appreciate you guys watching this video, but she clean. She's clean.